Section 3. Network Layer Overview. The main components of the vBlock platform network layer include Cisco Nexus IP switches, Cisco MDS SAN switches, and the Cisco Nexus 1000V virtual distributed switch. Let's take a look at the Cisco IP switches. Each vBlock platform model includes 2 Cisco IP switches. These switches are responsible for providing IP connectivity from the compute layer to the site network and storage layer. Now this is layer 2 connectivity. They support low latency line rate 10 gig Ethernet and fiber channel over Ethernet. The FCOE connectivity can be provided on up to 32 ports, and there's a unified port expansion module that can provide an extra 16 ports of 10 gig Ethernet or fiber channel over Ethernet connectivity. Now, all of the ports are licensed on an on-demand basis. The Cisco SAN switches provide fiber channel connectivity from the storage array, your vMax or your VNX, and from the fabric interconnect. 2 fiber channel switches are required as part of each vBlock platform system solution. They utilize single initiator, single target zoning, and provide 2 independent fabrics. Let's review this vBlock platform's network layer diagram. Coming out of the fabric interconnect, we plug directly into the fiber channel switch. Notice that these connections are not cross-cabled. Coming out of the fabric interconnect, we connect into 1 dedicated fiber channel switch. Each fabric interconnect will have connections to 2 IP switches at the network layer. Those customers purchasing a unified solution or adding a NAS gateway will have connectivity coming from the storage layer directly into the IP switch, as well as fiber channel connectivity coming from the storage layer into the SAN fabric. The Cisco Nexus 1000V series switches deliver highly secure multi-tenant services by adding virtualization intelligence to the data center network. Cisco Nexus 1000V switches are a standard network component in all vBlock platform configurations. The major subcomponents of the Cisco Nexus 1000V include the virtual Ethernet module, which is installed on each ESX server, and the virtual supervisor module, which is a virtual appliance. Section 4. Storage Layer Overview. With the vBlock platform storage layer, you're either going to get the EMC Symmetrix vMax or the EMC VNX storage family. All vBlock solutions include the Cisco High Performance SAN. The vBlock platform supports both file and block storage services. At the file level, we use 2 protocols, both NFS and CIFS. NFS is commonly used for VMware data stores. We could use CIFS shares to support a VMware view environment. Currently, CIFS cannot be used outside of the vBlock. All vBlock solutions support block-level storage. The storage is presented directly to your bare metal servers or your ESX hosts as logical units, or LUNs. The LUNs are accessed using fiber channel storage in a vBlock environment. We do not currently support iSCSI block services. Let's review a couple of vBlock platform configuration rules. Every single vBlock model includes block storage in their base configuration, although you have the ability to add file storage as well. All vBlock models currently boot from SAN, so each one of your blades is going to boot from SAN whether you use ESX or a bare metal server. Now we've reserved rack space and fiber channel ports on the storage array for future NAS upgrades. So if your customer decides today that they're not interested in NAS as part of their solution, they'll be able to purchase and add that to their vBlock in the future. All vBlock solutions include tiered storage as part of the configuration. The tiered storage is a mixture of 3 tiers. At Tier 1, we use enterprise flash drives, which are optional in our pools. At Tier 2, we use 10K or 15K SAS spindles on the VNX and fiber channel drives on the vMax. And then at Tier 3, we use the 7200 RPM nearline SAS drives on the VNX or SATA drives on the vMax. In this vBlock platform storage layer diagram, we can see the connectivity from the storage processor
to the disk array enclosures over the back-end ports, to the data movers or X-blades over the front-end ports, and to the fiber channel switches over the front-end ports as well. Let's introduce the EMC Symmetrix vMax family. The vMax is high-end storage. It's built for the virtual data center and provides consistent and predictable performance for your consolidated workloads. The vMax scales up to 2 petabytes of usable protected capacity and can have anywhere between 80 and 2400 disk drives. We use fiber channel connectivity, and we provide tiered storage through fully automated storage tiering and virtual provisioning. Disk tier groups include enterprise flash drives, fiber channel, and SATA drives in the vMax family. And a VNX NAS gateway is an optional solution which provides file-level storage to a vBlock environment. The EMC VNX storage family provides a unique combination of flexible, scalable hardware and advanced software capabilities that enable them to meet the diverse needs of today's organizations. With the VNX, block-level storage is standard as part of the solution. Customers have the ability to add file services and can choose anywhere from 2 to 8 data movers. The maximum number of physical disk drives is 960, with a minimum of 29 disk drives in each VNX. Customers can choose Tier 1 enterprise flash drives, Tier 2 SAS drives, or Tier 3 nearline SAS drives as part of their solution. Customers will add additional RAID packs for capacity upgrades, and each VNX model includes fast cached as part of the vBlock system solution. Each vBlock platform model includes 2 fiber channel SAN switches. This provides a Cisco high-performance SAN to the vBlock. There are several storage layer design benefits for vBlock platforms. All vBlock solutions include block-level storage. Customers can add file-level and unified as part of their solution, giving them access to NFS and CIFS services. Customers can take advantage of storage tiering and thin provisioning, realizing greater efficiencies in storage utilization. They can also easily add additional storage through RAID packs for capacity upgrades. And to protect application performance from unexpected workload spikes, each VNX model includes fast cache as part of the solution.